So public spaces aid in improving social cohesion between the users of the building, and they act like a node for meeting, for functions, for generally improving the social welfare of the users. Another way it should be beneficial to have public spaces in a building is financially. It helps to improve the financial value of the building. Obviously, if there are public spaces and those kind of functions in a building, it will attract more subscribers to the project, more residents to the building to come buy units or rent. Also, another facet or another way to be beneficial would be the rent the operators of those businesses pay for their spaces in the building, and most times those rents are on a per square meter basis. So the bigger the public spaces, the bigger the revenue. So generally it's more beneficial for a developer or a building to have such spaces in the building.